example, we're talking about the fundamental counting rule. So let's look at our problem. And actually, before we look at the problem, let's review what the fundamental counting rule says. It says that m times n equals the number of ways a sequence of two events can occur, given the first event can occur m ways and the second event can occur n ways. Okay, so if two events can occur m ways and n ways, in other words, the first can occur m ways, the second can occur n ways, together they can occur m times n ways. All right, now let's look at our problem. Suppose you have 8 shirts, 5 pairs of pants, and 3 pairs of shoes. If an outfit consists of a shirt, a pair of pants, and a pair of shoes, how many outfits are possible? Okay, so this is a little bit of an extension of what's actually written over there on the board for the rule. The rule corresponds to 2 selections, and you multiply the ways the first can be selected times the number of second ways can be selected. Here we have 3 selections. Okay, so a shirt, pair of pants, and a pair of shoes. So we're going to multiply the number of ways we can select a shirt times the number of ways we can select a pair of pants times the number of ways we can select a pair of shoes. So it's a little bit of extension because we're making 3 selections as opposed to just 2. But the concept is the same because we're multiplying the different possibilities. So 8 ways of selecting a shirt times 5 ways of selecting a pair of pants times 3 ways of selecting a pair of shoes. And if we do 8 times 5 times 3, we will get 120. And that is the final answer, 120. So when we apply the fundamental counting rule and multiply 8 times 5 times 3, we get 120 as our final answer.